Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Yanez Plans, and today I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I will be planning out the week of January 4th through January 10th using this stunning kit from PeachPom called Baby It's Cold Outside. It's in silver foil, and it was actually really perfect because it snowed this week, which is absolutely totally insane. I live in a part of Texas where it's like it's literally like the most rarest thing ever, and people lose their minds if it just starts to flurry a little bit. And we actually got like 3 or 4 inches of snow, and I was like, this is perfect. So starting off, I just want to say, I don't know what happened. I laid down the entire base of my spread, and I know I filmed the whole thing, but it got corrupted and like I could only restore a portion of it. So you don't see that I laid down the entire base. Which makes me really sad. Like you only see me laying down the date covers and the washi. But in the sidebar, which I will just briefly go over, I do pull in some of those hanging snowflake dividers from the Pretty Pink Co, along with a snowflake fancy box from the Pretty Pink Co as well. And I pulled a whole Rachel from Gathered Plans, and I layered it with some deco, and I was really, really happy with how the base of the spread looked. I actually pull in like a month script up at the top corner, and you don't see any of it because the footage got corrupted. I did a poll on my Instagram. I was like, do y'all care? Is that a deal breaker? And luckily enough, a bunch of people are like, upload it anyways, because I mean, I guess the day-to-day is the most important, but I don't know, something about seeing the base of the spread and like getting that vibe really says a lot to me about how the spread is actually going to be. But c'est la vie, I guess. So anyways, jumping right in, on Monday, I am marking my Zoom class with this little fancy box from Meg B Makes. It is in the cool tone colorway in silver. The florals are from Vintage Sticker Dream. I forget which set that is, but I thought the colors just matched so perfectly. They were like this icy frosty blue. Everything was just perfect. The half snowflake is from Honey Inked. I pull in a lot of Honey Inked stickers in this spread. I was so happy to be able to pull in my winter stickers. And then the little tennis shoes are from Sweet Tea Plans, and the Zoom class sticker is a custom that my mom printed and made for me. Jumping down, the next thing that I wanted to mark is that I uploaded my Black Friday haul on this day. So to mark that, I pull in a half box from the kit. Those sticker sheets are from Planning World, and then that little flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio. I already know I'm gonna have to go and purchase a whole bunch more of Bloom Paper Studio's flourishes. I pull in a lot of her mini flourishes in this spread, and I'm obsessed. I just know I'm gonna need like 10 more sheets of them all because they're so perfect. You can see I actually pull in one of the mini flourishes on this next thing. So I mark my plan with me with another snowflake. That mini snowflake is actually from the Pretty Pink Co, and I layered one of the confetti circles over top of that. The little planner is from Planning World, and then the mini flourish is one from Bloom Paper Studio, and I'm obsessed with these tiny flourishes. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just the fact that it's teeny tiny, but I love these flourishes, and I have like a whole cart full of them on Bloom Paper Studio, and my next paycheck, your girl's gonna pick up a whole lot more of those mini flourishes because they're so perfect. Jumping down, the next thing I wanted to mark is that I went to the gym with my husband on this night. So I used one of the smaller labels from the kit, and those little weights are from the Glitter Mama. Then to cap off the night, me and my husband had a Hulu binge. We've been binging The Mentalist, and like I forgot how much I love that show. But anyways, to mark that, I pull in one of these little snowflake boxes, again from the Pretty Pink Co. The little TV is from the Glitter Mama, and the Hulu binge script is a custom from my mom. Jumping over to Tuesday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that we slept in on this day. So to mark that, I pull in a half box from the kit. That little half snowflake divider is another deco piece from Honey Inked. The little snow cluster is as well from Honey Inked. The little pillow is an icon from Crafts by Towie. And then I pull in another one of those teeny tiny little flourishes from Bloom Paper Studio. And the sleep in script is from Planner Kate. Jumping down, on this day, this is the day that me and my husband did our huge grocery run. So to mark that, I pull in a bowstrung box from the Giving Girl. This is from her winter collection, and I layer that over top of a snowflake from Honey Inked. The little shopping cart is from White Deer Stationery. The mini snowflakes are from Honey Inked as well, and the flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio. The grocery shop script is another script from Planner Kate. I've been pulling in a lot more Planner Kate scripts as well, just so people don't think I only use scripts from my mom. I mean, I do, but I also use other scripts as well. Jumping down, the next thing I wanted to mark is that I did a lot of editing on this day. I filmed a whole bunch of videos the week before, and so I was just like editing and trying to get them all uploaded. I still have one that I'm working on. It should be going live soon. It's a planner flip through. I don't know. I'm really self-conscious about doing a planner flip through because my really early planning style was really chaotic and not cohesive at all. I had no idea what I was doing. I got started sticker planning at the very beginning of 2020. I used to only plan with like pen and paper before, and then my mom introduced me to stickers and she created a monster and I had no idea what I was doing. So I'm a little nervous to show off my planner, but we'll see. I'm like editing it and seeing how it goes, so hopefully that comes out well. I completely talked over Tuesday, so if you have any questions about the stickers, leave it in the comments below. But jumping over to Wednesday, I'm marking my Zoom class the same way that I did on Monday, with that fancy box from Meg B Makes, the florals from Vintage Sticker Dream, the shoes from Sweet Tea Plans, and the snowflake from Honey Inked. The next thing I wanted to mark is that I had a lot of anxiety on this day. I won't go into details, but it was a bad day. I was just not, like the script says, I was not feeling it. So to mark that, I pull in a half box from the kit. The little character is from the Fox and Pip. The Not Feeling It script is a custom that my mom made for me. And then I pull in a flourish from Bloom Paper Studio. To kind of lift my spirits and whatnot, we had our friends over and we did some sushi. So I pull in another box from the Pretty Pink Co. The little sushi board is an icon from Crafts by Towie. I also did kind of like a self-care night to try and, guys, this day was just like, I was just not having it, not feeling it. I was up in my feels, my head would not stop. It gets really bad, my brain gets chaotic. So I did a lot of things to try and like soothe my soul, and taking a bath really, really helps. So to mark that, I pull in another snowflake from the Pretty Pink Co. with a circle from the kit laid over top of that. The little bathtub is from Planning World, and the bath time script is from my mom. Then to cap off the night, me, my husband, and a couple of our friends watched the final, no, this was not the final. We watched the second movie of Lord of the Rings. That was kind of like our thing. We started it on New Year's Eve, and then we decided to watch the second one on Wednesday, because we're like, we're not going to try and watch them all in one day. That's just too long. So we watched the second one on Wednesday. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit. The TV is from the Glitter Mama, and then the movie night script is a custom from my mom. On Thursday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that we took our Christmas decorations down on this day, which is always kind of a bummer to me. And maybe that's why I was having anxiety the day before too. Like, on top of everything going on everywhere else, the spirit of Christmas is gone, and it made me really, really sad because I'm a Christmas baby and I live for that kind of stuff. So anyways, we took our tree down on this day. So to mark that, I pull in a scallop box from Bloom Paper Studio. The little Christmas tree flourish is from Honey Inked, and then the piece of deco came with the kit. Jumping down, the next thing I wanted to mark is that I went to Target with my husband to pick up some new table decor, because I have this 2-tier table tray and I switch it out with the seasons. So we went to Target to go and find some stuff to put into it. So to mark that, I pull in another half box from the kit, another snowflake cluster from Honey Inked, and then the little shopping bag is from Crafts by Towie, with another mini flourish from Bloom Paper Studio. Then I wanted to mark that I went to the gym on this night, and I'm kind of marking going to the gym the exact same way every single day, with one of those labels and then the little weights from the Glitter Mama. I also added another half snowflake divider from Honey Inked because I'm just obsessed with those. So yeah. Then I wanted to mark that I made a homemade taco salad on this night. So I do the whole layering of the circle with the snowflake. The little cutlery icon is from the Pretty Pink Co. And then the mini flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio. Then to cap off the night, me and my husband had a Netflix binge, so I pull in another one of those snowflake boxes from the Pretty Pink Co. And the TV is from the Glitter Mama. Jumping over to Friday, I wanted to mark that we slept in, and I mark it pretty fancy, don't I? It's pretty much the exact same way that I marked going on our grocery run. I pull in another one of those Bowstrung boxes from the Giving Girl, some snowflakes from Honey Inked. The little pajamas are from Crafts by Towie, and the Sleep In script is from Planner Kate. And then I frame it in using these half snowflake dividers from Honey Inked. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I got some Happy Mail on this day. I got the last 2 packages from my Black Friday orders, which were from Honey Inked. It's actually my winter stickers. And then my White Deer Stationery stickers, which is funny because I pull in a lot of these stickers in this spread. So this box is from My Newest Addiction. The florals are from Vintage Sticker Dream. And then the little mailbox that I pull in is actually from White Deer Stationery from the order that I got on this day. And then the Happy Mail script is a custom that my mom made. Honestly, I had never heard of White Deer Stationery until I saw a haul from Laura at Laura Lee Plans. And then I went over and I put a bunch of like stuff in my cart and I was like, no. And then I saw hauls from like Plan Mush Plan and I loved them and I went in and I added a whole bunch to my cart again. Then I was like, no. And then finally Black Friday rolls around. I was like, okay, now's the time, Jen. You need some of these stickers. So I was really excited to finally get them in. It took a little while to get here, and I'm pretty sure it was just because like the post office has been ridiculously crazy over this holiday season, especially with Black Friday and everyone being home and ordering everything online. So I wasn't too mad about it. They came in and I've been loving them. So tangent over. The next thing I wanted to mark is that I went to the gym on this night. And I've marked it the same way with a label from the kit, those little weights from the Glitter Mama, and the custom gym script from my mom. Then on this night, this was the night that we watched the final installment of Lord of the Rings. I don't know if anyone out there has seen Lord of the Rings, but I'm just going to say this. I don't like Frodo. Like, seriously. If you guys have seen the movie, Frodo is like the worst character ever. Everyone gives him all the credit when literally it was his friend Sam who did everything for him. Y'all can leave it in the comments below and tell me if you disagree, but Sam literally carried him up that volcano, willingly gave up the ring. Like, don't even get me started. Anyways, that's my opinion. If you have a differing one, you can leave it in the comments below. But to mark that, I layered one of the hexagons over the snowflake from the Pretty Pink Co. The little TV is from Crafts by Towie. The mini flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio, and the movie night script is a custom from my mom. Then the last thing I wanted to mark is that I filmed this plan with me on this night. So to mark that, I used one of these little silver foiled quarter boxes from the Happy Planner sticker book. The little planner is from Planning World, and then the film Plan With Me script is a custom from my mom. Jumping over to Saturday, I did want to mark that I slept in on this day. So to mark that, I pull in a third box from the kit. I layered one of these sleeping pillows from Paper Shire over top of a snowflake. The Sleep In script that I pull in is from Planner Kate, and then I do add another little flourish from Bloom Paper Studio. I told you guys, I'm obsessed with these little mini flourishes and I need way more in my life. But anyways, the next thing I wanted to mark is that I edited on this day. I edited this particular plan with me. So to mark that, I am pulling in an old Plan Mosh Plan trick and using this scalloped box from Panda Bird Design along with a laptop girl from Panda Bird Design. And then the edit script is a custom from my mom. And then the little flourish from on the corner is from Bloom Paper Studio. And I don't know, I liked the way that turned out. Thank you, Lauren, for introducing me to this technique. I'm obsessed. The next thing I wanted to mark is that I did do the gym on this night. So I pull in a half box from the Happy Planner sticker book. Some more florals from Vintage Sticker Dream. The weights are from the Glitter Mama, and then the snowflakes that I pull in on the corner are once again from Honey Inked. I've been really loving these snowflakes, and I'm really sad that I can only use them for like the rest of this month. So get ready, guys, because every single spread that I do from here until the end of January is going to be riddled with snowflakes because I am obsessed with how these look. I love them. I think that they have turned this spread into one of my favorites. So yeah. Then I wanted to mark that me and my husband ended up going over and having a pizza night over at my parents' house. So I pull in another one of those fancy boxes from Meg B Makes, some more florals from Vintage Sticker Dream. The little house is from the GP Studio, and then the custom script is from my mom. Oh, and I also layer the house over top of a little snowflake from Honey Inked, which I didn't show you guys, but it's there. I know, I'm still trying to figure out how to get this planner in frame. It's not very different from the planner that I was in before, but it's different enough to where I have to like keep myself in check. Then to cap off the night, I'm just going to mark dinner because we did do dinner over my parents' house. So I pull in one of the circles from the kit. The little cutlery icon is from Rose and Tea Shop, and that squiggle is from Bloom Paper Studio. Jumping over to Sunday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that we went to church. So to mark that, I pull in a flag from the kit and I layer that over top of one of these half snowflakes from the Pretty Pink Co. I love the way that turned out. It was very simplistic. I love the pastels. The bow is also from Bloom Paper Studio, and that's a technique that I saw from Rachel at Gathered Plans. Love that. The little church is from White Deer Stationery, and the church script is from Planner Kate. Then I wanted to mark that we went to my husband's grandparents on this day, and I thought it was really fitting because the house is underneath those 3 snowflakes in the corner, and it snowed literally all day today. I was so happy about that. So happy. The little flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio, and the custom Mama and Papa script is one that my mom made for me. Then I wanted to mark that I had a YouTube binge. Several people post their Plan With Me's on Sunday, and it's my absolute favorite. So to mark that, I pull in a hexagon from the kit. I layer it over top of that snowflake from Honey Inked. The YouTube icon is from Crafts by Towie. The YouTube binge script is from my mom, and the squiggle is from, you guessed it, Bloom Paper Studio. Then to cap off the night, I want to mark that I am pre-planning out next week. I have to write down my work schedule and do my dailies. So to mark that, I'm pulling in a 3rd box from the kit. The planner is from Crafts by Towie. The little snowflake is from Honey Inked, and the planner time script is a custom from my mom. Here are the leftovers from this kit, along with a Viv Wiggle. I am absolutely so obsessed with how this turned out. I cannot wait to see how the rest of January turns out, especially with all of these deco stickers. But anyways, if you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!